Make these once and serve many with this baked grilled cheese recipe. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I make a lot of simple recipes like this one, so if that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I can cook together twice a week. First things first, go preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure that the oven rack is in the middle of the oven. For this, I'm also using a sheet pan. There's no need to line it because we're going to butter or spray both sides of our bread. But if you want to line it with parchment paper for easy cleanup, that works too. So here I have some sandwich bread, I've got some butter and sliced cheddar cheese. Use any cheese that you like. First things first, I'm going to butter one side of the bread and then I'm going to place the buttered side down on the pan. I follow this method when my kids have friends over and I want to make grilled cheese for my kids and their friends. This way, I don't have to sit over the pan and wait and make one grilled cheese at a time. I just make one batch, feeds many. By the way, if you don't want to use butter, you could also use spray and spray that side of the bread and place it facing down. Our next step is to place our cheese slices on top of the bread. Now you can do one slice if they're nice and thick, but these are thin cheese slices, so I'm gonna use two. Some people like to put mayo or butter in the inside of the sandwich as well. Let me know in the comments if you're a plain inside or do you add mayo, butter? Let's talk. Now that we got our cheese on here, again, if you're adding something to the inside of that bread, do it now, but we are also going to butter or spray the tops of our grilled cheese. So if you're adding something to the inside, now would be the time, and we want our grilled cheese sandwiches to be buttered on both sides, just like you would in a pan. Now, if you are using spray, you would then put all the sandwich tops right on top, and then take your spray and spray all of them at once. Now I know I have some that are buttered and some are sprayed because I want you to see what they look like, and it works both ways. Let's place these in the oven for 6 minutes, and after 6 minutes, we're gonna remove the sheet pan from the oven and carefully, using a spatula, flip them all over one by one. And they're gonna go back in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes so the other side gets nice and toasty and the cheese melts through. Guys, these look incredible. I'm gonna show you the differences between the buttered ones and the spray. These right here were the ones that we sprayed. They do brown quicker than our buttered, but as you can see, both using butter and spray works. Now let's check out our grilled cheese in the inside. And just like that, you can bake grilled cheese sandwiches. If you like this video, watch this one next. See you next time.